In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely factory reset and erase your Tesla if you're thinking of selling your car to a private seller, or like me, if you're part exchanging it for a new car. Now, a complete factory reset, a bit like on an iPhone, should completely sign you out of all of your apps. But what I would recommend is going through each of the apps like Spotify, anything that you're signed into, and just sign it out of those first. Also, I'd recommend deleting your addresses from the sat nav, just to be sure before we do the factory reset. So Spotify, I'm going to sign out right here. There we go, and we're signed out. Now, to delete your addresses, simply hold down your home or work address. This will pop up and then you can press clear work. Do that for your home and work address just to make sure they're cleared out of the system. Okay, now it's time to do the full factory reset, and you can find it down here. So all you do is go to your car. We're then going to go to service, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to factory reset. Tap that, and then you'll need to enter your Tesla email address and password to do the reset. So I'm going to do that now. So we're going to confirm that we're going to erase all of these settings and reset. Obviously, this may take a couple of minutes as it erases all of these settings from the car. The factory reset is complete. If you've recently purchased this Model 3, log into your Tesla account, press OK. There we go. We are ready to go. Everything should be as it is straight out of the factory. And then finally, the last thing you want to do is remove your Tesla from your products within your Tesla app. So there we go. I hope this video has helped you reset your Tesla, and good luck with your sale or your new car. If you want to see more Tesla content just like this, make sure to subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in the next one.